Hi guys, I have an exam today and I'm in a hurry because it's 8:30 and I have an exam at 9 and I need to review and I need to print for my project. So this is our food hall. We are going to find a food. This is the view, guys. Guys, I am at the library and it's brand new. Guys, we are not allowed to speak loudly here, so yeah. Midterm situation, midterm season, guys. Everyone is studying. And yeah. So cooked. Guys, I am so tired. This is hard. So it's hard to go. And I have the library with mine. Guys. Are you excited with our exam? Are you excited with our exam? Yeah, me too. Guys, we are so stressed. Guys, it's midterm week. That's why.
Pwede pa kita mababa.
Nandiyan ha? May alam ko rin sa atin. Ano, hindi ko mandyan.
Pwede pa kita mababa, guys? Siyempre. Ako ko na, ikaw ulitin na ako.
Siguro mga 20 lang ako.
Ayun, si Rosie.
Next year, try.
Are you ready for an exam? Okay, siya. Are done with our exam submission, so we can at least sleep. My last schedule this week, guys. Surprise kami ni Madam. We don't have a exam today, guys. So yeah, we are on the way to my friend's boarding house to record some projects. So guys.
Dapat ka naman. Tagal nila nag-aaral yung information mo.
Thank you po. Thank you po, ate. Bye-bye. Guys, I bought because I didn't eat breakfast yet. I feel so weak. I need to eat now. So yeah. The recording now is so high, guys. We are on the way to buy a lunch because the lunch that I bought is not enough for me.
Sabay ko na. Opo. Sabay mo bali.
Ay, sabay yung lugupot yung salag dito.
Saro pa po.
Sarap pa pong salag. Pero ang bayad po, iba. Opo.
Okay. Or Sabado.
Serious mode ang aming scriptwriter, guys.
Mag-attend sa video.
While these two is busy chit-chatting, while this one is video calling his baby.
Kirak man ni Emma. Eh, gusto ko man maguli.
And I am here. Nothing.
Salamat ka mo sa akin so reject.
Parehas man lang.
Pero,
Guys, our
demure.
because we are poor.
Ano?
Hey guys,
Ano?
we are not done.
Psychological?
It's
Cultural?
1 p.m. exactly.
Cultural,
1 p.m.
psychological.
Psychological. Tapos agad sa cultural. Sige
So ano baga, mo maribok si Honey, ay si Francine.
Kaya ni, unong klase yan to.
Ay, naulan.
Nagkura na ng kain
Ay, naulan na. Guys, we're done. I'm going home. I'm going to the university too for our church movement life. So yeah. Ay, the water is. It's 3:45. They are not here. The location changed and I didn't know because there is no internet earlier. So I have to go to the church and not in the university. So bye.
Alright. Ayan, mapagpala hapon sa lahat.
I am
Welcome
at
sa
the
ating
church.
Sunday service.
And I don't know what happened to this one.
Hindi maayos.
I bite it.
Maganda.
Guys, I am here at Kmart. Buy foods. Kuya ba? Ano bibilhin mo?
Itong tatluhan.
Di ko bet ang seaweed.
Ay, bit na mo ni
Please, I don't know but I don't like seaweed. Wait lang. Guys, this is Kmart. We are buying something.
Sabi na akin, bibili ako, pero ML lang, wala akong pera. Sabi kasi, nagkita-kita lang, wala talaga kaming pera. Like, ML lang kami din, guys.
Guys, yeah. Dosi lang dara ko, guys. Kaguro ganda sa camera. Pati ang He prayed for me. And thanks God. And now, thanks God again because I am high. Magkakapera na ako. Pero, ang dami ng bayarin kahit wala pang sweldo. Alam nyo ba, inhap-hap ko na ang sahod ko. Wala pa mang sahod. Yung nag-imagine ba ako? Hello guys, it's midterm week. I think I just want to pass. It's a Derga campus. It's our room. Guys, we are here. This is our room for today. Ako na kita bangko. God bless. Ha? Kaya nga ni. Ano ito? Ano? Dito? Guys, matutulala ka na lang talaga. Matutulala ka na lang talaga sa daming gagawin. Tapos na kami sa dalawang subject. Bali, may 4 pa kami subject na is exam this week. But the important thing is we are done with our law subject last week. And we are early as expected.
Diba? Ang dalawang kalaban yan, bakit? Halimbawa, nag-card ka sa first game mo, yung halimbawa kalaban ng CSSP, tapos versus Cal, tapos may nag-card sa CSSP na isang pair. Yung isang pair na yun, sa ibang kalaban na magpapasok. Oo, lang sa bagay.
Ano ito? This is our room today. It's raining outside.
1 eternity later.
Yes, we are done. Guys, I'm done with our exam. It was so easy. So yeah, not that hard. Bye-bye. So I'm going to my boarding house to have some rest. Yeah. Say hi to... Hi, late! You are late earlier. Hi po! Hi po! It's her first time to say hi po. Bye! The exam was so good. It was not that hard. But ano, 3 minutes lang ata yung binigay na oras ni Madam. Which is ano, very kulang, but it's okay. working. So yeah, God bless. Look at this woman. She's busy. Hi.
So get so much careful. Okay, go.
Mga naliligaw na second gear, guys. You are naliligaw. Finally. Anyu! We're going to pee. It's in the 4th floor. In the CR is in the 2nd floor, guys. The 3rd floor is not working. Hi. Hi, sir. Mas-CR po kami.
Sige, sige.
Good evening po. So yeah, it's our professor and it's our gob. I didn't know that it's our professor, guys. So yeah, I hope it's open. Yeah, it's sarado. Guys, it's sarado. I am with honey bait, I don't know. Guys, it's in the 2nd floor and our room is in the 4th floor. So it's so tiring, obviously. And the CR, it's our class. We're done, guys. We are going back to the start. Joke.
It was at this moment that he knew.
I'm so tired. Let's go. Report.
Jenny.
Hi guys. We'll update you after our class.
Let's welcome Miss Mel Chanya.
Guys, we are done. We are done with our report. Yeah, I'm done. And we are going home. I am going to my boarding house. It's 7:18 p.m. guys. Early out as usual. It's so dark here. But yeah. Bye. See you. Oh, maybe I don't want to see you. See you again. I arrived.
Enjoy, guys!
The exam is all multiple choice. That's why it's...
Matagas na.
They are making pom-poms.
Vlogger. Hi, vlog! For today's video,
What are you doing?
I'm doing a pom-poms for our biohackers.
Reviewing about the Last Supper, like Socrates, Aristotle, and etc. Guys, it's a cramming town! Guys, I've been studying for almost Score reveal.
Huwag na lang po tayong mag-usap.
Huwag na po tayong... Wala po kaming maalala.
Marias ka letay.
Wala po kaming maalala.
Tama na kami.
Ako tama. 30 kita.
Sabi ni Madam Perfect ako.
Pinapost sa answer ko tapos pinalitan mo.
Both ba? Ano?
Letter A. Sa first 7.
Guys, na-scam lang kami ni Madam So tama akong true. Ginit lang po.
Si Madam.
So yeah. And go to the church. Done with the exam and I am preparing for church. Field trip. So guys, this is my church mate, Aina. Hi.
Hi.
What's your name?
My name is Marian River.
Hi, this
Mini Aya.
Mini Aya.
Yes. My name is Shirley. Hi.
Bini Aya local.
Tama na.
Yeah. So guys, yeah. They are practicing for Olympics.
Sino yan?
Yeah.
Mama talaga.
Guys, this is my food. Thank you, crew. They are still practicing for Bihata.